Electricity haibase miyamgi tangai fadana changba posak ama oibita natana matamga chunana chawkhatpagi yumfam tholiba yamna maru oiba posak amani haina Governor Ajay Kumar Balana phongdokhrei wafam ase Manipur Electricity Regulatory Commission MNERC gi ahanba popok kumon thorom mahakna phongdokhibane North Ewo laiba Hotel Imphal gi sangai hall ngasi pangtokhiba thoram aduga mari leinana Governor Ajay Kumar Balana hai Commission asi ahanba mapok kumon thoramda saruk yaba phangba asi apen poe state asi setmenon amate miyam afaba punsi mahing amma lehenna ba honabada quality leiba electricity phanghanba haibase changdaba yadraba amane komja lisingani shubna ahumda electricity act asi amend tawkhraba matung power sector da privatization pusilakpa yakhibade electricity haibase miyam gi tangai fadana changba posak am oibata natana matamga chunana chawkhatpagi yumfam tholiba yamna maru oiba posak amane electricity na miyam gi punsi mahingda mateng pangpata natana industry hospital educational institution amadi digital infrastructure singda power piri bani haina magna phongdokhe magna makhata na hai tung koina chawkhatpa power sector ama ohena bkhonabada renewable energy smart grid smart metering power tap issue amade transparent billing system sing munna yengshin bachange Miyam the electricity manuk mapung fana phangana bkhonabada awaba thidana engineer technician field personnel amade supporting staff singna lawriba thodang ase singthaningai nei laibak asina komja lisingani nifugotaret fawbada bikshit bharat ama oinama changsiliba khongthang asida matam chunaba resilient oiba amade consumer centric oiba power sector haibase laibak asi chakotpagi maru oiba yumbi ama oibani haibase aikoi ningsingfam thoi haina mahana makha takhe
Now you can sell power at different hours at the peak at higher price. You can bank powers. Government of Himachal with the hydropower sells their or banks their power with Punjab government at the time of need and earns about 1,000 crore rupees a year. So here also, I mean today I don't see sector power in the audience, but one should look at the power sector now depending on our peak requirements. What PPAs I have entered into, how can I use this power when I don't need it? Can I sell it in the market and make more money and buy more power when I need it from the market? So it's a really a job which needs 24/7 attention, and some of the states have really done very well on this front. I'm confident that Commission will continue to strengthen public trust, uphold the highest standards of professionalism, and emerge as model of regulatory institutions serving the people of Manipur.
Thauram aduga mari lainana Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchana hai Oiba khunai asida mai haibase tana thanaba yadraba posak amane Commission asina mai sizinariba consumer sing record amade mai gi tarif na chungba semduna thabak kaya paikhatle Commission asina tungkoina consumer amade tonga sector singi kanaba thabak kaya paikhalakani haibagi thazaba chawn lei Commission asina paikhalakpa miyam gi yaifa tharangi thabak sengda laingakna matam pumbada mateng pangani haina magna makha takhe ngasigi thoram aduda Governor Ajay Kumar Bala Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchan Chief Secretary Dr. Punit Kumar Goyal amade MNERC gi Chairperson Sawam Ibo Pishakna mathangchina Chief Guest of Honor amade President oina saruyakhe Thauram aduda Manipur Electricity Regulatory Commission asi ahanba mapok kumon ga mari leinana puthokpa sovener amasu phongdokhe
Human society sida electricity mai si asi tanna thana ba yadraba dumba posagamani time to time population hegalakwa the consumer hegalakwa from individual to commercial then industries mayama hegalakwa sigi consumption की आवाज पकी record अमदी तारीख दस दिन में सेंद्रा future visionary होगा कनोमा पकी कनोसिना state electricity regulatory commission सिना मसी तोबिरी ने खंजरकांदा मसी तुम कोई नसु पकी commission सिना state असिगी consumer सिंगी अमदी तो section सिंगी कानावा यानी visionary होगा तब सिंग पकड़ बिरकनी है बिथा जब ले जे commission सिंगी मतांग दरी से कोई chairperson ना इन तो high rabina aina tuito kan dungna panjaroi ado aina tamjabada commission sina tawpa aba khudimakta ei mateng pangjabagi part to logjage